Hello, and welcome to this video where we'll be installing the integrated light into a MAG-8200. So first we'll show you the light as you'll get it from us at Magna-Matic here. Here is the light with its leads. There's a nut on the end here. And like I said, all the stripped leads. So we'll start off by opening up the 8200 and getting to the electrical box. You'll need a 5/16 wrench or driver, and we're going to remove the pulley cover. So now we have the drive pulleys exposed as well as our electrical box here. And you can see we've got a plate of steel here that sections off the drive belt from the electrical box. So let's pull out the wires. And you'll see we've got this nice little clever bus connector arrangement where these little levers open up where you can insert a wire, and then when you close them down, they snap and clamp onto the copper of the wire. So it's very simple. All the black wires are together, all the white wires are together, and all the green ground wires are together. So very easy, simple wiring. So now we'll start by mounting the light into the hole. Now your machine, we've already knocked them out, but there are knockoffs where you'll want to push that through with a screwdriver and then bend them back and forth, and the knockout will come out. So the large one, all the way closest to the front of the machine, is where the light mounts. To mount the light, you'll need a 3/4 wrench and a 7/8 wrench. Now, one little tip I'll give you, this is a little bit of a tight fit to get the wrench in here to tighten or hold the nut as we're tightening the top of the light. You'll see that when we get to it. This electrical angle or little separator here has one screw on the top and one screw on the bottom, so you can take that out to give yourself a little bit more room for the wrench. So let me grab the light over here again. So we'll want to take the nut off the end of the light. Put all the wires together and feed them down through the hole. Push the stalk through, and then we'll have to take the nut and again put the wires through the nut and bring this up. And you'll first want to get the nut started with your fingers. You can get it as snug as you can with your fingers. The 7/8 wrench goes on the inside. And again, like I said, it's a little bit of a tight fit. And the light will rotate as you tighten it, but boom, there we got it. Now for the wiring. So we have our leads here. Get them all kind of nice and orderly. And you can twist the copper all together again if it got frayed when you put it through the hole. So like I said, real nice and easy. Grab the black bundle, pull up the next lever in row, put the wire in and snap it, and then give it a little tug. Make sure that it's snapped down tight onto it. Take the white wire and we'll connect into the white bus connector. Again, nice little tug. And lastly, all the ground wires. Lift up the lever. Insert the wire. Snap that down, give it a little tug. All right, now we can tuck this all back inside. We'll get our 5/16 driver again. And now we can close up the pulley cover. Now lastly, we'll go around here and tighten them all up. All right, well, I hope you found that nice and easy as an install for the integrated light for the MAG-8200. And again, any MAG-8200 can install this light. They all have that same electrical box. They all have the knockout for it. So if you'd like to add that to your machine at any time, you certainly can. So we've got the unit plugged in now. So let's give this a quick test. And here we have the light on. So again, here you can see you can position this on either side. Here we're now showing the left-handed approach for a left-handed blade on this side of the machine. The light functions with the sharpener on or off, so you can use the light for servicing the MAG-8200 or during operation of sharpening lawnmower blades. I hope this video helped. Head on over to Magna-Matic.com and pick yourself up the 8200-125 integrated task light. Thanks for watching.